Launch X431 ADAS Mobile. Make smart ADAS calibration even smarter. The best all-in-one calibration tool for easy to use. Start to calibrate in seconds. No more tedious work of disassembly and installation. Here are the tools we are going to use, and all of them can be found in ADAS Mobile package. X431 ADAS Mobile. Target. 5-line laser. Cross laser. Laser reflector. Auxiliary mirror, L-type positioning bracket, and lead hammer. Now, we will show you how to calibrate step by step. First, connect launch scanner to vehicle to get calibration tutorial. Turn on the ignition and connect the VCI to the vehicle. One click to access the ADAS system automatically identifies the VIN. Select ADAS Mobile and Calibration System. It will guide you how to implement calibration step by step. Second, confirm X431 ADAS Mobile position in front of vehicle. There are 3 ways to confirm the target position according to different vehicle models. Measuring from the target to the front bumper, measuring from the target to the front hub center, and measuring from the target to front camera. In this video, we will showcase the second way. Place lead hammer in the center of the front car logo on the ground, marked point A. Place 5-line laser instrument at point A. Place lead hammer in the center of the rear car logo on the ground, marked point B. Place laser reflector at point B. Place auxiliary mirror near to point A and ensure you can see laser reflector at point B from mirror. Turn on the 5-line laser instrument and keep it horizontal. Fine-tuning the laser instrument to targets the central axis of the laser reflector and marks this line as line P. Select any point on line P as point E and place ADAS Mobile on the point E. Fine-tuning the ADAS Mobile to make its longitudinal laser line coincides with line P. And place L-type positioning bracket at the center of the front wheel hub of the vehicle. Confirm point A1 on the horizontal laser line of point A. And confirm point E1 on the horizontal laser line of point E. Then move the 5-line laser instrument to point A1. Confirm point D, and then move the 5-line laser instrument to point D. Use 5-line laser instrument and cross laser to confirm point C. Place ADAS Mobile to point C. Adjust the horizontal bubble to center and lock it. Fine-tuning the crossbar to center the device and parallel to the vehicle. The digital distance laser shows the crossbar height and make sure it is equal to the standard value precisely. Install the target according to the vehicle model. The last is to calibrate systems with Launch X431 scanners. X431 ADAS Mobile. Make smart ADAS calibration even smarter.